I'm going to show you how to recycle and make your own backers today. This is what I do, so I hope I can help you save some money and recycle at the same time. So you need to make some templates first, or save your store-bought ones. This is a 6-inch store-bought one that I saved, and I just put do not use. Here is a 5-inch one I use for my garter mums. It's a 3-inch I use for my peewee mums. And this is my wrist mum backer. It is 2 inches that way and then 2 1/4 inches that way, and it goes on like this. Now here's one that I traced out of a paper plate, and here's what it looked like when I traced it. And I only use the paper plates if I'm desperate, because you can only get one backer off one of those. So what I like to do is save my pizza boxes, cookie boxes, cracker boxes, that kind of stuff. Pizza boxes are the best, these frozen pizza boxes, because you can get so much more on one. And then I just take scissors or my X-Acto knife, and for the center I like to just cut an X, and then just cut it out like so. And this is an old table, that's why I'm doing this. It's really just that simple. The pizza boxes are a little bit sturdier, so I like to use scissors on those. And one other thing that I do use are my ribbon ends. This one is cardboard and it's pretty big, but these are all paper, or the thinner cardboard. As you can see, that's what they look like when they're on with the ribbon. So I've got all different sizes here, and I can use these either as templates or as a backer. Even though the holes are a little bit bigger than a backer, they'll still work. Okay, I hope I helped you out. Thanks. Bye.